in the tree. We get it almost every night when the moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural light. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's here and we're out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep it loose and they keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the